Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect your Wise account into QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll move from your QuickBooks Online dashboard to the banking connection window where Wise appears, so you're ready to complete the connection. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct QuickBooks Online company and that your user role has permission to manage bank connections. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser, keep it updated, and allow pop-ups for QuickBooks. This connection opens in a separate window. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in. You should land on your home or Get Things Done area. Take a quick moment to verify you're in the right company, especially if you manage more than one. This helps ensure the account you connect will feed transactions into the correct books. Now, move your mouse to the left-hand navigation and hover over the accounting section. Don't click yet, just hover. This reveals the related options so you can go straight to the right place. Depending on your region or interface updates, this area may also appear as transactions. If you see that instead, it's the same place you need. Select Bank Transactions. This opens the banking center where all your connected accounts live and where new bank feeds are added. Here you'll also review and categorize imported transactions once your connection is set up. At the top of the banking page, click Link Account. This is the button that launches QuickBooks' secure bank connection flow. If nothing appears, check for a blocked pop-up and allow it, then try again. When the connection window opens, you'll see a search field that helps you find your financial institution. In the search box, type Wise. You may see it listed as Wise or Wise, formerly TransferWise. Typing slowly and waiting a moment helps the correct result appear. If multiple results show, look for the official Wise connector. For demonstration purposes, we'll choose the sample Wise result here. In your own books, select the official Wise option that matches your region. Click the Wise result. This takes you to the connection screen where QuickBooks prepares to link with Wise. At this point, you're in the right place to continue the standard prompts you'll see on screen. Keep your Wise details handy and note that connection times can vary based on browser and security checks. That's the path in QuickBooks Online. Open QuickBooks, hover over Accounting, go to Bank Transactions, select Link Account, search for Wise, and choose the Wise result. You're now set to complete the connection and bring your Wise activity into QuickBooks for easier reconciliation and reporting.